In the quest for a good night's sleep, many of us turn to various remedies and rituals to ensure we wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. One surprisingly effective addition to your pre-bedtime routine is the humble kiwi fruit. Packed with nutrients and deliciously sweet, kiwi fruits offer a range of benefits that can contribute to improved sleep quality. Let's explore the 8 reasons why incorporating this vibrant green fruit into your evening routine might just be the key to a more restful night. 1. Rich in serotonin and melatonin, kiwi fruits are a natural source of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and contributes to a sense of well-being. Additionally, they contain melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. Consuming kiwi before bedtime can help enhance these hormones, promoting relaxation and signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. 2. Magnesium for muscle relaxation. Magnesium, a mineral abundant in kiwi fruits, plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation and stress reduction. By incorporating kiwi into your evening snack, you provide your body with this essential mineral, potentially easing tension and promoting a more relaxed state conducive to sleep. 3. Antioxidants for cellular repair. Kiwi fruits are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, which help combat oxidative stress and promote cellular repair. A bedtime snack rich in antioxidants can contribute to overall health and may indirectly support better sleep by assisting the body's natural repair processes during the night. 4. Low calorie and high in fiber. If you're concerned about consuming heavy meals before bedtime, kiwi is an excellent choice. With its low calorie content and high fiber, it can satiate your hunger without burdening your digestive system. A satisfied stomach without the discomfort of overeating can contribute to a more peaceful night's sleep. 5. Regulation of blood sugar levels. Kiwi fruits have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose into the bloodstream slowly. This gradual release helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that can interfere with sleep. Maintaining steady blood sugar levels throughout the night is essential for uninterrupted sleep. 6. Hydration support. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including sleep quality. Kiwi fruits have a high water content, contributing to your daily hydration needs. Proper hydration can help prevent discomfort from dehydration during the night and support optimal bodily functions, promoting better sleep. 7. Improved digestive health. Kiwi fruits contain enzymes like actinidin, which aid in the digestion of proteins. Better digestion can prevent discomfort such as bloating and indigestion, allowing you to sleep more comfortably. Including kiwi in your evening routine may contribute to a happier digestive system and a more restful night. 8. Natural source of vitamins. In addition to vitamin C and E, kiwi fruits are rich in other essential vitamins like vitamin K and folate. These vitamins play a role in various bodily functions, including the synthesis of neurotransmitters and the maintenance of bone health. A well-nourished body is better equipped to handle the demands of daily life, promoting overall well-being and potentially improving sleep quality. Incorporating kiwi fruits into your bedtime routine might be the sweet solution you've been looking for to enhance your sleep quality. With its natural melatonin and serotonin content, muscle relaxing, magnesium, and an array of vitamins and antioxidants, kiwi offers a delicious and nutritious way to unwind before bedtime. So, the next time you're craving a bedtime snack, reach for a kiwi and enjoy the potential benefits it brings to your sleep routine. Sweet dreams await.